Question number 6 is quite simple. It's about which part can be found in the phospholipids. So remember what's a phospholipid with a glycerol. Phospho, yeah, connecting to a phospho head. And what's a phospho head? Okay, something like that, right? POO, right? And then it is connected to long tail. What the long tail? Okay, COO, long tail, and this is a phospholipid. So what's the answer? Yes, the long tail is here. Quite straightforward. So the answer is A. Got it? Yes, you got it. Because you're awesome. Totally awesome. Okay. See you for next question. Bye.